Take all the parts out from the package. First, connect the base with the propeller parts with the helix head. Then, fix the plastic nut with the helix head to stable the fan base. Connect the longer groove to the propeller part and make sure they are aligned. Then connect the second propeller part to the groove. Followed, connect the other groove. Next, connect the final propeller parts with the groove, and the installation of the base parts is finished. Moving on to the head part. First, take out the lithium battery pack and connect it. Put the fan head on the table and install the back grille onto it. Make sure the holes are aligned. Fix the back grille with the plastic nut. Then mount the blade and secure it with the plastic knob as counterclockwise. Followed, fix the grille parts with a hoop and screw the end part to make sure it's fixed properly. Mount the handle onto the fan head. Final step, install the fan head into the base part. Mount the holder and secure it with the knobs.